What's going on, YouTube? This is Dave's Daily Trades coming at you live with another video on AMC. So I don't know about you guys, but I've literally been smiling ear to ear all day and I can't stop. What a day. Oh my. So this was absolutely insane, but guys, this is absolutely nothing yet. What we have here is a stock that is still trading for pennies on the dollar, and we can still expect massive gains to be coming very, very soon. All right, guys, so let's take a look at the 1 minute chart for today. So of course, we did close yesterday at right around $31, $32. Had an immediate jump in the morning to $38. Had a little bit of consolidation, which of course is good. This really showed us that, you know what, we are absolutely comfortable at and above $40. Once we had that consolidation, it was absolute madness and the rocket began to take off. And we did hit our high today right around, this is like 1 o'clock, and then traded sideways the rest of the day. But guys, we hit a high of $72.62 today. Honestly, I'm a little bit speechless here. I really don't know what to say. But the thing that actually excited me the most, as you guys know, I love consolidation. What do we got here? Beautiful, beautiful consolidation. Of course, we can confirm this with the MACD down here. This area right here, I would say 3/4 of the way to the close, definitely had some nice consolidation. And of course, RSI, besides for this first massive run in the morning, yeah, of course, we're going to hit the overbought regions because, guys, we had massive run-ups. And even the stock was halted, I believe it was 2 or 3 times today. Of course, I was at work today, so trying to check my phone every chance I could to see what's going on. But I believe it was 2 or 3 times. So other than that, guys, you know, the majority of the day, we traded in between that oversold and overbought area, which is great to see. So we'll take a look at the 1-day chart just like we do every single day, just to put in perspective how massive this jump was. We'll zoom in here. Guys, it's crazy. I remember when we were trading at $5, when my account went from $15,000 to literally just about $6,000. And I was, you know, I was so sad. I was having doubts. Yeah, of course I was. You know, those were some really scary times. And especially, I'm not someone that has endless amounts of money. And that's everything that I was saving up, you know, through work, through birthdays, through you name it. I was saving and put it in to AMC. And I just, you know, can't believe, you know, going from here where I thought, you know, wow, that was crazy, to now we're over here at $72.62. We'll close the day at $62. It's absolutely mind-blowing, guys. But, of course, I'm going to show you some data that shows that the squeeze has not even started yet, and things have not even gotten that interesting. So definitely stay tuned for that. Anyways, just taking a quick look here at the RSI and the MACD. Of course, the MACD is going to show overextended. We're at right now 94.88, which is insanely high. But of course, the RSI and the MACD, they're only reading what the candlesticks are showing us. Of course, yeah, massive movements, the RSI is going to go through the roof. But guys, that does not mean that we are going to have price drops back to $25 or $30 or whatever it may be. Guys, the RSI does not know what is going on behind the scenes. I'm going to say that every single time you guys are on watching this video. Honestly, I barely touch upon that right now, but I don't want any FUD spreading because of this. And of course, as you guys see, we'll take a look here. When RSI was at 80, we still had that massive jump. I don't even know what the percent is on that, but all the way up to $24 and some odd cents. So, you know, take it with a grain of salt, almost ignore it at this point. All right, now into the interesting parts of today's video. So, of course, a lot of people were freaking out because of the trading halts that happened 2 or 3 times today. And guys, this is absolutely normal. It's supposed to happen. This is how the systems that we trade on were built. So I'm on Investopedia right now. I'll link this in the description as well. But I just want to take a second to read through this. So a trading halt is a temporary suspension of trading for a particular security or securities at one exchange or across numerous exchanges. And I believe actually we were halted just about everywhere today. Trading halts are typically enacted in anticipation of a news announcement to correct an order imbalance, which definitely is interesting, as a result of technical glitch or due to regulatory concerns. Halts may also be triggered by severe down moves, in which are called circuit breakers or curbs, which we've actually seen in the past, definitely early January. That's when that happened. So, guys, this is normal. Don't freak out about it. Robinhood, Webull, whatever broker you're on, they're not stopping trading. It's just the system that was built does this so it can catch up to itself, because we'll take another look back here. But guys, what is this? I believe over 757 million shares traded today. That's insane. And especially the flow is now somewhere over or close to, call it half 500 million. So we're well over the flow, absolutely, which is insane. So it's going to happen. And honestly, don't be surprised if this happens tomorrow, the next day, next week. It's going to be happening, and we're going to become so familiar with this stuff. Anyways, I did come out with a couple of tweets today, guys. Thank you for all the support on this. I'm really not that popular on Twitter, but today, a lot of new followers and just a lot of support from this ape community. I absolutely love all you guys, and I'm going to try my best to respond to all messages, all DMs, all messages, all comments, you name it. I'm definitely going to try to respond to everyone who has questions, just to support you guys, because you guys are supporting me clearly. So, the biggest thing, shorts have not covered. And actually, funny enough, guys, short interest is still going up. This was today's change, 1.69%, which is not a lot, but they're not backing down. They're just keep on digging themselves into a hole, and it's actually negligence at this point, because we have such an amazing community that's not going to stop. I can tell you there are so many people I talk to on a regular basis, and actually shout out to my boy Zach Roberts, who's also in AMC with me. I know he says that he shares his videos to his work squad at work, so I really do appreciate that. But anyways, they're not backing down. This is straight up negligence right now. This community is absolutely not going to stop until they start to cover these shares, which it doesn't look like they're going to be doing anytime soon. So expect this price to go absolutely insane. But that's really the most important thing, guys. Everyone's asking, when do we know it's gonna squeeze? How do we know it's going on? A, you're gonna see the percent change to be in the thousands of percents. That's definitely a dead giveaway. And B, this short interest percentage is gonna start decreasing like crazy. And I believe, 18.3% of free float is shorted, which I believe the Volkswagen squeeze was only at 11%. So guys, we're still gonna see some massive moves. Anyways, jumping over to Ortex, pretty much this is just crazy. I had to share this with you guys. Short sellers were down 2.75 billion for the day just with AMC alone. I mean, guys, 2.75 billion dollars. That's insane. Hedge funds are absolutely bleeding right now, and I get it. Yeah, they do have billions, if not trillions. Who knows how much assets they have under management? But 2.75 billion, that's still a lot of money, and they're definitely feeling it. Definitely the funniest news article I've seen today. I really do not pay any attention to the media, but sometimes I'll just go on if I find something interesting. But the paper-handed Mudrick Capital may have missed out on more than $300 million by dumping AMC a day earlier. Wow. I mean, geez, don't be Mudrick Capital. If that's the one thing you take from this video, that'll make me ecstatic. Do not be like them. Do not paper-handed. Do not miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I just was literally laughing at this for a good 5 minutes, because come on now. Like, yeah, you sold at, what, $32 for, a couple bucks of a profit per share? You guys screwed up. You guys are literally the joke of 2021. I'll have to say that. Last piece of information, guys, is the Federal Reserve reverse repo market. This is something I've been keeping an eye on daily. just to see, is this stopping? Is this cooling down? So current cap on this is, and just to give you guys a little background, if you haven't tuned in before, what the reverse repo market is an overnight way for hedge funds and banks and market makers to just get instant liquidity. Of course, this is going to help prevent margin calls and forced liquidation. So definitely the more borrowing going on shows us that they're absolutely hurting for assets to put up for margin calls and forced liquidity crises. So anyways, guys, I can't tell you exactly what this is, but this is well over 400 billion. And of course, this is in billions over here. So over $400 billion every single day is in this reverse repo market being borrowed, which is mind-blowing. And keep in mind, and put this in perspective, the cap on this is $500 billion. So I'm curious to see. And I know this is not updated every single day, but I'm curious to see, guys, because we must be coming very close to this $500 billion area. And I wish I could tell you what's going to happen, but I have no idea. I know they're not going to be able to borrow more than that unless they, up that price. But I guess we'll see what tomorrow brings. So, guys, that's really everything that I want to share with you. And also, just shout out to everyone who's still holding this stock. I know a lot of people are checking their banking accounts saying, wow, this is great. This is a lot of money. Maybe you're up your entire salary like I am, but you know what, guys? This is nothing. I'm holding for you. I know you guys are holding for me. And I just want to say this community is absolutely amazing. I love all you guys. And with that said, guys, definitely tune in for the next one. Give this video a likes up and hit that subscribe button. Until the next one, good luck trading, guys.